is Friday, the 22nd of June. Wow, this year is going so fast. And we're in Herman. This is what's been nicknamed HermanFest. As some of you would know, we are having a meeting, and looks like the first people have arrived already. It's about 1 o'clock, and we've just eaten, and looks like Bob and Gina are here. Hey. How you doing? That was interesting. Yeah. Good to see you. Where's Gina? You've left Gina. Nice to see you again. Yeah, let's go and see Poppy. Is Poppy in here? Oh! So, we're sharing that though, right?
Well, it's up to you. I think we owe you a beer, so.
Oh, I see. Right. Well, thank you very much.
Yeah.
We'll pop that one later, I think.
Yeah,
Great. Thank you. Here's Poppy. Hello. She says, "What, another camera? Hello."
Yeah, she probably thinks, oh goodness, not another one that keeps filming everything.
So most of us, if not everyone, has arrived here. As you can see, we're all sitting around Herman having a few drinks and a few pieces of cake. Well, wave then. So who do we have here? We have Bob and Jenny. From your YouTube channel.
What's your YouTube channel?
It's cunningly called Bob Earnshaw.
We have Waggy's Travels.
Richard.
Richard.
Yep.
Do you have a YouTube channel?
No.
I don't think you do you? You have one.
I've got one.
This
I'm
is
not
Alan.
telling you what it's called.
Got my name as well.
I can't remember the name of it. No.
I remember your name, Mike.
Mary. This is Mary.
This is Mary.
Bill.
Bill is not here at the moment. So the invisible.
Nigel. This is Nigel.
No, this is Bill and Bill and Jill. You're getting me confused.
That's the invisible Bill.
Cool, do it again.
He's a troublemaker.
No,
Just and we've just been having some cake that Richard has kindly brought in. Oh yeah, that's the point. So Richard, he made four cakes, and he left them at home. So he felt a bit guilty, and ended up buying a couple from the local supermarket. How cool is that?
That's my wine as well. So.
Oh, so he had to go in for wine anyway. He thought I'd pick up some cakes. Yeah. So we're going to enjoy our evening, and we'll probably see you in the morning. Morning, everybody. It is Saturday, the 23rd of June, and last night we had a really good time. We had a bit of a chinwag, ate some cakes. I even got my telescope out and peered at the moon, Jupiter and Venus, which was very interesting for everybody, and we had some spectacular viewing in my eyes. Anyway, today it's one of those not sure days. I think we're just going to take it as it comes. I think going for a walk together is probably on the cards. We'll keep watching and see what happens. One thing that you can't ignore this weekend is the weather, and the fact that we're not plugged into electricity means that the batteries are always draining. So I've just, since the sun is out, I decided to plug our solar panel in. Now, it's not much, it's about the size of a piece of paper, to be honest, but I think it's actually working. We're getting like a 0.1 of an amp. Hopefully it's just enough to get us through the weekend. We jumped ahead a bit. You've missed the morning. We've had breakfast, lunch, and now we're going to go for a walk.
Yeah.
A few of us are going along.
Yeah.
Not everybody.
No.
Not everybody can be bothered. But we're going to take a walk around the campsite. Maybe bump into some ponies and all that kind of thing. So there's a number of donkeys here. I've not seen them anywhere in the New Forest, but this one has shaded himself from the blazing sun, from hiding behind this post. Now, in the middle of Round Hill campsite is this. It's a burial ground. I don't know anything about the history, and to be honest, it just looks like a hedge, doesn't it? But it is actually circular, goes all the way around, and it's fenced off. There is a gate there, but I don't think anyone can get in there. Well, you're not supposed to. But yeah, I have no idea whether or not it's supposed to be Neolithic or whatever. But strange to have a burial ground inside a campsite. What do you think? So Bob, as we're walking around the lake, you just had a chat with the guy there at reception.
Yeah, just talking to one of the wardens. He said there's 3,500 people here now.
3,500 in one campsite?
One campsite, yeah. Gives you an idea of the size of the place, doesn't it?
Yeah. We've gone and done our walk, had our ice cream, and now in a few minutes is when we're going to have our tea and cake. Put a bit of weight on, I think. But it is so peaceful here and so relaxing. If you've never been to any of the New Forest campsites, you should definitely come along. Camping in the forest, do a bit of a YouTube search. Some of them don't have toilets and showers, most of them don't have electricity, but just check them out. Really nice and really close to the coast as well, if you want to fancy seeing the beach and the sea.
Oh, wow, it's a bit hot now.
That's because you didn't have an ice cream.
That probably might have been it.
Thank you very much, everyone, for coming along. I think there was a few other people that can come along as well, but well, if they're in the campsite, we're over here. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed yourselves. Maybe we'll do it again next year or some other time.
Yeah. Well,
Oh, I don't know. I've got a holiday to book.
I like the idea of quarterly. I mean, that sounds
That quarterly did sound very good. Yeah.
well,
Next time, you can come along too.
I'd just like to say thank you for organising.
Yeah,
Thank you. So we're sitting here eating our cake, and then Richard comes along with his brand new Lotus grill,
Yeah.
and
like to say-
he's unwrapped it, packed it up, unpacked it, unwrapped it, set it up, and we're all having a joke with it at his expense, and it's actually pretty good. Look at that.
What day is it now?
Thursday
It is now.
following week. Night outside's nice and orange, and it's actually really cool to
Really?
Yeah, it's not. I mean, it's warm, but it's not burn your hands. warm.
Just seen this this horse having a good scratch. Wave. That was that was hilarious. At some point, I can actually see what I have for dinner.
Right, here we are, Ads. Bye.
Bye bye. Yeah, we'll be going soon. It is about 11 o'clock in the morning, Sunday, the whatever, I forgot the date now.
24th.
And we're going to be heading back home very shortly.
Yes, we just had all the viewings, haven't we?
Yeah, we've gone round all the motorhomes and had a little bit of nose and
yes.
talk about all their motorhomes,
which ones
whatever.
we like the
and of
best.
course, little Herman, a tour or two or
Took
three
a couple of hours.
of Herman. But last night we had such a laugh. Many sore heads in the morning, but last night was amazing, wasn't it? Really funny.
Bit late.
Bill, he's got some really good stories.
Bill and Jill.
Bill and Jill got some really good stories. Very funny. Anyway, we're going to be off very shortly. I'm going to be ending the video right now. So thanks for watching. Hopefully, if we do this again, you guys can come along too.
Why didn't you come?
It's a bit of acting again. wasn't it?
Yes, and you can have a red nose like Zoe.
So anyway, adios. Thanks for watching and goodbye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching our video. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed or leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe for more video updates or maybe even watch one of our previous videos. Bye bye now.